Transaction complete.
All right. It's like a bunch of body shops. It's like 3 body shops in one. Well, we found it. And I had a clown offer from Carl's Jr. from Grubhub. So back. Okay. Gotta take a picture of myself. Back with the DoorDash. All right, well, I'm all 3. Chick-fil-A. Nice, gig-wise. Yeah, I went to the chiropractor for a couple of months. When I was in Dayton, Ohio, yeah. Oh, speaking of Chick-fil-A, fam. Bust that, bozo. Uh-oh, DoorDash no tipper. We got a double decline. Decline Chick-fil-A. Buffalo Wild Wings, $4.75. Bust that, bozo. All right, we got 2 clowns hopping in at the same time. Oh yeah, speaking of the bus. Where's my bus, man? Hey yo, hop on the double-decker bus, you bozos. I bought the bus on Amazon a few days ago. Yes, I gave it to your coworker. The one in the corner?
Oh, okay, yeah.
The one with the Batmobile, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's on the table. Yeah, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. There's like 3 body shops right next to each other, so. A little bit confusing at first, but we figured it out. Oh, hell no, man. Petco. At first glance, it's not looking good. Nah, $13 for 13 miles, decline, fam. Petco order. I mean, I'm a dog owner, but hey, man, we're doing this for money. This ain't a non-profit. Double stack Petco orders from DoorDash, 13 for 13. Double stack, decline, fam. All right. Three order 26. Holy smokes! This is a super clown, man. I need that double-decker bus, man. Look at this, fam. 60 miles. I screenshotted it. 60 miles. I'm not joking, man. 60 miles for $26. Let me highlight this part, man. It's too good. Save.